Hello everyone, in this video let's solve a very basic problem of coding, which is find maximum element in an array. So an array is given to you, and what you have to do, you have to return the maximum element in this array. So the maximum element present in this array is 21, so we have to return 21. So this is one of the basic coding problem which you should know, and let's solve this problem. So what we are going to do, the idea behind solving this is we will have one variable, let's call that variable is max, and in that variable we will store the first element of the array. So we will say a of 0. So the name of the array is a, and the first element of that array is a of 0. So we will store that in the maximum variable. Now we assume that this is the maximum element. So what we are going to do, we are going to iterate the whole array. Now because we have stored the maximum, we have stored the 0th position element in the maximum variable, so we'll start the loop from the first position, and it will go until n, where n is the number of elements present in an array. Now what we are going to do, we are going to compare the maximum smaller than a of I. Now this is the logic behind finding the maximum element. So what we are going to do, we assume that a of 0 is the maximum element. Now if we find any element which is greater than that, so if we find any element that is greater than maximum, that means that element is the maximum. So that element will be our new maximum, so we'll assign that into the maximum variable. Now that element will become the maximum variable, and this way whole array will be traversed and we will be able to find the maximum element in the array. So after the loop completed, we can see out or print the maximum. So whatever be the value in max, this will be the maximum element. Now let's dry run this. So max will contain a of 0, which is 9. Now for loop will begin from this. So 9 will be compared with 3, because 9 is not smaller than 3, so nothing will happen and loop will continue. Now this time it will compare with 5, so nothing will happen, loop will continue. 7, it will compare with the 7, so nothing will be happen because 7 is smaller than 9. Now 21, so 21 will be compared with 9, because 21 is greater than 9, then maximum now will contain 21. And again 6 will be compared with the 21, which is our new maximum value, and because 6 is smaller than 21, so nothing will happen, and this is how the whole loop will terminate, and at last you will get the maximum element. You will get the maximum element in the maximum variable. So this is a very quick video, and I hope you like this video. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. More videos will come soon. Thanks.